So right now, what I'm gonna do is basically lay out all my track onto the styrofoam. This is 1-inch thick styrofoam. It's 4x8. And I kind of mixed these all up because I was trying to lay it out differently, but it just didn't work. I'm gonna use this thingy. I don't know what it's called. Oh, and there goes my cat. That's gonna be a problem. She just ripped my styrofoam. Okay, so basically, this thingy, I can trace the track. And I push down, and it would make an indent in the styrofoam. And if you don't have one of these, I don't know what it is, but I'm using it. You can just use an X-Acto with my really broken blade. Or you can use the T-pins. So let's get a time lapse started, putting it all together. Just wanted to say, I put a screw in that corner and this corner right here, just to hold it in place. I didn't glue it down yet, just in case I need to change something. But once I start laying track and all, I'm gonna glue it. Okay, now let's get the time lapse started. I'm gonna cut these. I really don't need all of it. When I say cut, I mean rip. Here's my track plan. Yep, this is gonna take a really long time.
What are you doing? Huh? Are you talking to yourself?
Uh-huh.
Good, good. Don't be embarrassed about it. It's good. I do it too.
Here that's not really lining up, but it was just lining up. Now it's not. But, you know, can't be perfect. But I want it to be perfect. I'm just playing around right now. Anyways, that's basically my layout. And here is the cat that kept annoying me. Meg. Hey, buddy. Oh, I've been doing this for 57 minutes. 57 minutes to do all this garbo. No flat. And no flat. Flat. No flat. Flat. No flat. Flat. No flat. Flat. No flat. So right now, I'm taking this thingy and going on the track like this. It's kind of annoying. It's not even straight either. So this is what I'm doing. There's a cat. It's really not perfect at all. And I'm kind of annoyed by that. But I feel like once I lay the track down, it'll be like I can smooth it out. Like I made this line. I don't think it's that perfect. It's like all over the place. But once I lay the track on it, I can probably just straighten it like kind of where it is to make it work. In this track bed, the end scale at least has a beveled edge on this side, but it doesn't on this side. I tried cleaning it up, but then I broke it. And can you come on? That's gonna be a problem. So anyways, I'm just gonna keep doing this. We'll just see where it goes. Okay, so now what I did was I went under here, labeled what each switch was. So I labeled that switch. And here's another one. I labeled them all. But now I'm labeling the inclines. So as you see here, I have 58.3 millimeters. So I wrote that. I also wrote that, meaning after that it's all 60 millimeters. It's just a reverse loop. So the whole reverse loop is going to be 60 millimeters high. And I'm just labeling the inclines from here. So yeah, that's basically what I'm doing. I still have Kitty over here. She's just doing her own thing. So wherever there is a decline, where it's going down, where I have to carve out the base, wherever I need to carve out the base is where I marked again on both sides. That's what I need to cut out. This is declining, so I have to slope it down in between. But since here is inclining, I just kept it. So using a knife and making that decline. So I'm just like messy. So that's basically what I'm doing. Of course need to widen it. biting my tripod, and that's what all that banging is.